Hi, this is Ryan with Honey Dashboard, and in this video I'm going to go over a couple more of the cycles. We're going to go a little more in depth and get the site visit, and we might also touch on the create initial proposal. So we'll start with the site visit. Now this is a very simple form. This is done, the idea is you can either get this information and put it in afterwards once you've gone to the site and actually looked at it. You want to make sure, get eyes on the project so that you're not forgetting things. What we did is we created a list which can be modified and for your benefits, however it works for you. But this is a list of checklist items, things that we don't want a person to forget. And so we want to make sure that they, account for additional structures, that they locate existing fences, existing gates. There's all sorts of items, and this is actually quite a long list of options, things that need to be gone through and just should be checked to make sure that nothing is missed when you're out there, and that way you can really get a thorough picture of what it is you're trying to do and just help you in creating your design. So we ask for some of this information. It's important, like the access width, especially newer salesmen. It's easy to forget that all the machinery can't always fit into the backyard. It can't always get back there. So we like to know the most narrow point, even if that's like between the AC units of the two houses or the gate, whatever that may be. You go ahead and put that in there. And I ask for it in inches because it's easier to calculate the proper type of dig based on that. Again, just looking for equipment or clearances. Well, can we get everything in there? Who's going to be responsible for removing the fence? Do we have to remove the gate? Where's the equipment going to go? Are the power lines in the way? Are they under the pool? Are they over the pool area? Are there any trees that are in the way? Shrubs, sewer? And I can tell you, as far as like the trees, again, just to back up a step, you have sometimes somebody thinks that a little stump isn't a big deal. So again, newer salesmen can fall into this, but this is where this kind of information just helps to remind people to take a look and make sure they don't miss anything. And again, we have information for the remodel. Again, if there was a remodel, there's all sorts of questions that would pop up. And then there's a spot to input a site diagram. So if you actually make a drawing at the site, you can, or you can use software, say for example on an iPad. You could actually take and import that right into here, and then you have it connected to this job, and it's easily referred to, and you don't forget what it was later on. And then once again, you can save in progress or sign off if you choose to do that. If you only just stepped in here, you haven't done anything, and you're just looking, you can always close the form. So I think I'm going to end off with the video there, so it's not too long. And in the next one, I'll show you how to create the proposal.